If you are ready to send your words into space with your Blue Dome signal codes, this is the process. Firstly, navigate your way to www.bluedome.au. Then click on Access Signals and enter your signal ID in the box. The signal ID is an 8-digit number starting with 42. It was provided to you along with your signal passcode. You are now seeing the top of your signal tracker page. You can return here at any time to see how your signal is progressing. But first, we need to initiate transmission. To do this, click on Send a Signal. In the signal setup form, you begin your transmission by typing or pasting your text in the top box. There is a 280-character limit because our transmitter is currently restricted by law to an extremely low bandwidth. After entering your text, you have the option to tick the box if you'd like to have your words publicly displayed on the website. But even if your words are kept private on our site, the transmission is not encrypted and can potentially still be read. On this form, you also have an option to leave a name and email address. This will allow us to send you an email when your signal is transmitted or reaches a key milestone. You can read information about this and other important aspects of your signal transmission at the bottom of this page. Finally, enter the matching signal passcode provided to you. Then complete the "I'm not a robot" challenge and hit the Submit button. You should receive a success message and be directed back to your tracker page. Except when time is approaching midday on the Australian Eastern Seaboard, your signal will be queued for transmission at the start of the next hour. If you scroll down your tracker page, you will see the many distances that your signal will attain at estimated future times. The locations shown are indicative of the distances your text will travel, but the actual places will depend on the date and time that you decide to transmit. If you left us an email address, then you will be notified shortly after each of your 3 daily transmissions. By transmitting 3 times at 24-hour intervals, your text will travel through the same regions of space in 3 successive waves, which helps to protect against interference or anomalies that may otherwise damage its successful propagation or hinder its extraterrestrial reception. For days, months, even years after transmission, your signals will continue to move away from Earth into increasingly distant regions of the universe. Please check your emails or navigate back to your signal tracker page from time to time to see the progress.